Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Cancer, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, promote ko lang ang Cancer bracelet. So, ito yung nag-a-align ng energies ng Cancer. Meron tong Larvicite, Aquamarine, at Selenite. So, available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see, Cancer. Ano ang energy ninyo? Update. Second half ng October. Knight of Swords. May pagmamadali. Meron kayong, pwedeng kayo yung may gustong kausapin or kayo yung gustong kausapin. Madalian. You might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ano yung challenge? The Fool. Uy, okay. Parang may hahabol, may humahabol, ganon. Hinahabol kayo. Oo. Gusto makipag-usap, pwedeng ano to medyo hindi ganon kahinahon itong energy ng tao na to na gusto niyang makipag-usap sa'yo. Or this can be you as well, no? Oo. Parang gusto kang pigilan. Oo. Let's see your opportunity. The Emperor. Oh. As an opportunity, you have the power to be on your own at planuhin yung buhay mo nang walang nakikialam. Finding structure in your life. This is also being in control of your life. So, pwedeng meron kang inaalisan na sitwasyon, can be connection or a job na pipigilan ka na umalis doon, okay? Or pipigilan ka na iwanan mo siya. Okay, let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing? Wow, 10 of Cups. Fulfillment and happiness. I'm getting this energy na parang ito yung napagod ka na sa isang sitwasyon tapos parang napuno ka na tapos gusto mo nang hanapin yung fulfillment mo, yung happiness mo na kung saan you are in control of your life. Tapos pwedeng pipigilan ka nung concern na tao sa sitwasyon na yan. But mas pipiliin mo pa rin na maging malaya, no? Yung freedom na magawa mo yung gusto mo. What is the Knight of Swords? Ayan, no? Parang ayaw mo nung offer niya. Ito yung tipong, halimbawa, nagtiis ka sa isang trabaho. Tapos, you've been communicating kung ano yung gusto mo, ano yung dinideserve mo, pero hindi binibigay sa'yo. Tapos, bigla ka na lang umalis or nag-resign. Tapos na nag-resign ka na, may counter offer. Pero wala na kasi decided ka na So, I see this as hindi ka mapipigilan sa gusto mong gawin. What is the Fool? You have the Six of Wands. I think nandun ka sa point na alam mo yung dine-deserve mo. You know your worth. Okay? And you are somehow, merong ka pa ring fears or takot na umalis. Pero at the same time, alam mo na makakabuti para sa'yo yung freedom na ibibigay mo sa sarili mo. What is the Emperor? Temperance. This is Sagittarius energy. So, may mga energy dito ng Aquarius, Aries, at Sagittarius. I think, matagal kang naghintay eh. Matagal mong hinayaan na, hindi ka bigyan ng pansin, parang i-take for granted ka, hinayaan mo yon. And now, na parang pagod ka na doon sa ganong sitwasyon and you want to take back your power, you know that this is the best time to do it. What is the Ten of Cups? The Two of Swords. Hindi siya kumbaga hindi siya madaling decision for you, pero yung lakas ng loob mo, yun yung magbibigay sa iyo ng guidance, no, para makapag-decide what's best for you. This can be, sa isang relationship na hindi ka masyadong naalagaan, natitake for granted ka. So ngayon, you are taking back the power and ikaw na yung mag-aalaga sa sarili mo. Oo. Aquarius, collaborate. So, some of you, maaring may mga opportunities kayo na gusto nyong subukan to work with other people, to work in a certain community outside of your comfort zone. 8th house, mystery. Ang 8th house, this is also the energy of endings and new beginnings, transformation, exploration. So, may mga changes na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. With Mercury here, there's a lot of communication and messages and learning. So, pwedeng you will be talking to a lot of people. Marami kang makakausap ngayon. Pwedeng people from the past or people galing sa iiwanan mo papunta doon sa panibagong landas na tatahakin mo. Okay, let's see naman for Cancer. Ito yung money, career, o balance. You need to balance your career and personal life. Ayan, dapat may time ka sa sarili mo, sa trabaho mo, sa family mo. Ayan, and also talent. Meron ka daw exceptional talent na kailangan mo pang i-explore. Baka hindi mo masyadong napapansin na meron ka pang kakayanan or abilities na pwede mong pagkakitaan. This is your tapping into your creative side, no? Pagiging more creative. Yung iba sa inyo ang talent ninyo sa arts. Sa relationship naman, meron kayong nakakausap ngayon na you feel like meron kayong magandang unawaan, may chemistry, kumbaga. Marami kayong pinagkakasunduan. So, pwede itong mauwi sa romantic connection. Marami kang options available. So, kumbaga ang energy nito is freedom for you sa relationship. Like what I mentioned kanina, pwedeng nagtiis ka for the longest time in a situation or relationship na walang growth, and now you're exploring your other options. Pwedeng may mga ibang tao kang nakakausap ngayon, mas lumalawak yung network mo, you are meeting new people, collaborating with other people. So, marami kang options. Mas okay yan kaysa walang choice, diba? So, your final message, forgiveness will set you free. What do you need to forgive yourself for? Yes. So, ito yung mga, may mga times kasi na tayo mismo sa sarili natin, we fail ourselves, or sometimes we think na nafe-fail natin yung sarili natin. And nagiging mahirap tayo para sa sarili natin, no? Pinahihirapan natin yung sarili natin. But this is the time that you are going to forgive yourself. At once na napatawad mo yung sarili mo, then mas gagaan yung pakiramdam mo at yun yung letting go, no? You are finally setting yourself free. You are forgiving yourself from your past mistakes. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.